Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a huge haul. Well, it's not a lot, but I mean it is a lot, but it's also not a lot, if that makes any sense. I don't know. So I have some Ulta and Amazon products to share with you guys today. I guess we're going to start with the Ulta stuff. So first I'm going to share a lipstick that I've been kind of really wanting because I've seen so many ads about, and on the ad it had, I forget her name, and I am so mad about that because that was my favorite show. From Outer Banks, one of the girls did a this lipstick commercial. This is the L'Oreal Color Rich Intense Volume Matte Lipstick, and I have the shade Coral. I absolutely love the shade. It is amazing. I'm actually going to do it on this hand because I have a lot of product left over on this hand. It looks like that. I absolutely love the shade. It's so pretty. I definitely do not have a shade like this. Oops. And I thought that this would just be very nice. So got that. Next we have something that actually don't have out right now because it's actually in my hamper and I'm going to be washing it. I'll put a picture of it here. These are a 2-pack of the Real Techniques Real Clean Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. I love to use these for removing my makeup, and I also like to use them to apply all of my my toners, my liquid exfoliants, stuff like that. They're great, and I am not going to use the other cotton rounds now. I'm just going to stick with the reusable ones. Okay, next is another kind of got influenced by this from Glines. This is a lip plumping gloss. This is the Polite Society Big Mouth Lip Plumping Oil Gloss. So they have other shades. I wanted to get just the original one, and this is intense. I love it. I don't like to use it before I go to bed. I only like to use it when I'm prepping the lips for my makeup application, or sometimes I use it when I'm doing my glam looks. It's just amazing. I do like this one better than the Dr. Dennis Gross one. Definitely do like it better. Okay, this one, when I saw this teased on Instagram, I was really excited and I wanted to get it, and it wasn't at Sephora, but it was at Ulta. And when I went to Ulta recently, they didn't have it in stock, or my Ulta doesn't carry a lot of Natasha Denona products for some reason. I don't know, it's weird. So this is the Natasha Denona Hy-glam powder. This shade is N2, and I really do like this powder foundation. It's so nice. I definitely do like to use this more in the summertime, or I do sometimes bring this as a touch-up powder rather than a powder foundation. Okay, I said this in my favorites video. I had some samples and I wanted to get of perfume, and I wanted to get a full size of one of the perfumes. So I got this one. This is the Dolce and Gabbana perfume in the scent Lilly, and I absolutely love it. It is so nice. I love the smell. It's one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. Now we're going to get into, okay, we have one more Ulta product I forgot. We have the Sharkflex style, the round brush, and this one does pull my hair a little bit. Now I got my hair a little shorter. I cut it a little shorter, and this seems to work, and layers, so it seems to work a lot better now, I think, which I'm so happy about. I love this little guy now after cutting my hair. Now we're going to get into the Amazon stuff. Now, this is another influence product that I wanted to try for a long time too, but I finally got it. It finally influenced me to get it, and this is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I have the shade 1W, and you guys, this is my favorite foundation ever. I love it. And for the when I got this first, I didn't get the right shade, so I had to reorder it to my right shade, and this matches my skin tone so well. I'm definitely going to do more videos with this product because it's my favorite foundation. There's a lot of influence products for this haul just because I wanted to try some of the products that was mentioned in videos. So this is the Giveenchy Prisme Libre Loose Powder. I have the shade, Satin Blanc, and this is my new favorite powder. I do kind of like to use this one more. Oh my, I got powder everywhere. I do like to use this powder more for a glamorous look, but I do love this powder. This powder is my favorite, next to the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. Okay, next I wanted to get another nail light nail lamp that is a little bit easier to use for my gel application, or my Gel X application. So I wanted to get something like, this is the Saviland nail curing lamp. I love this one. I used it when I did my French tip nails recently, and I really do like this. It's so nice, and I like that it's really small as well. And then I showed this in my previous video. I applied it in my previous video. That link will be down below, and I'm wearing it right now because I just filmed that video, actually. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Channeling. I love this concealer for spot concealing. That's pretty much the only thing I do use it for, but I really like this one. Okay, next is a repurchase that I love. This is a hair product. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. It's not even open yet. I actually am going to shower tonight and use it. So like I said, it's not even open yet. I'm actually going to open it on camera because I want it, since I am going to use it tonight, I'm going to, this is always so tricky to open. Oh, the smell is amazing. So that's what it looks like. And again, I'm going to use it tonight. And this is the 2020 Get Growing Lash and Brow Serum. This is my second bottle of it. My lashes, I've noticed definitely growth of my lashes. I love this one. It's amazing. I actually did get something else from Ulta that I got. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I loved the foundation of the same name, and I wanted to get the concealer side of it. It's amazing. This is in the shade Vanilla. This is closer to my skin tone. I really like this one. It's amazing. So that was everything that I got from Amazon and Ulta. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!